The 2022-2024 Ford Expedition uses an intelligent oil life monitor to track oil degradation, not just mileage. Resetting to 100% after each oil change is crucial for accurate monitoring and preventing premature service alerts. This ensures optimal engine performance and avoids potential warranty issues. This video will guide you through the process. First, ensure your 2022-2024 Ford Expedition is in park with the engine completely off. This prepares the vehicle for the reset procedure. Next, turn the ignition key to the on position or press the start button without pressing the brake if your model has keyless start. Do not start the engine. Now, simultaneously press and hold both the brake pedal and the accelerator pedal. Keep them pressed for 5 to 10 seconds while the system processes the reset. Listen for a chime or look for a confirmation message on the dashboard indicating the oil life has been reset to 100%. Finally, turn the ignition off completely, then start the engine. Verify that the oil life indicator now displays 100% to confirm the reset was successful. If your 2023-2024 Expedition has Sync 4, you can use the touchscreen. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and find Oil Life Reset. Follow the on-screen prompts to reset the oil life to 100%. This method is user-friendly for those who prefer a digital interface. Always use the recommended oil type, such as 5W30 synthetic, which is formulated for Ford Expedition engines. The viscosity rating ensures proper lubrication under various temperatures. Pair the oil with a genuine Ford oil filter. This ensures compatibility with the Intelligent Oil Life Monitor system. Using non-genuine parts or the wrong oil can affect the IOLM's accuracy, leading to incorrect maintenance alerts and may void your vehicle's warranty. Most importantly, ensure the oil change is performed correctly before resetting the system to maintain engine health. If the oil life reset fails, check these common issues. First, ensure the ignition is in the correct on position, not accessory mode. Second, verify you're holding both the brake and accelerator pedals firmly for the full 5 to 10 seconds. Third, a weak battery can prevent the reset from working, so test the battery voltage or consider replacement. Finally, if problems continue, consult a Ford service technician for assistance. Ford is increasingly integrating the Intelligent Oil Life Monitor with the Ford Pass app, enabling remote monitoring of oil life from your smartphone. This allows you to check oil status anytime, receive maintenance alerts, and even schedule oil changes directly through the app. Looking ahead, future Ford models will incorporate artificial intelligence to predict oil changes based on real-time data from your vehicle. By analyzing driving patterns, engine performance, and environmental conditions, the AI can forecast when oil degradation will occur, potentially automating maintenance reminders and reducing the need for manual resets. Keep an eye on over-the-air updates from Ford, which can enhance the oil life monitoring system with new features and improvements. These wireless updates ensure your vehicle stays current with the latest algorithms for more accurate oil life calculations and better predictive capabilities. After resetting the oil life, double-check that the indicator shows 100% on your dashboard to confirm success. Regularly monitor the oil life percentage during your drives to stay ahead of maintenance needs. Address any warning lights immediately to prevent engine issues and maintain optimal performance. Proper maintenance and timely resets will help extend your Ford Expedition's engine life. Remember, professional service is recommended for complex issues.